Okay, this is the wireless doorbell, and this is the receiver. And you just plug it into wherever location. I like to plug it into surge protector, so make sure it's safe. And then this is the transmitter. You have to open it, and you open it with the flathead. And you just pick it up, and it opens, and then you close it. And right on the side here, this is the volume control. And the top is to change the shine. Now I'm going to, and then so if someone presses it, so you can change it. You can change the volume, and then the top one is the different chime. I'll go cycle through all 36 real quick. Alright, so pretty much that was all 36, and you could change the volume anytime, and it comes with an instruction manual, M3 tape, some screws, and the little screwdriver.